office. It's part of the Saudi Research and Marketing Group. It is now the time to invest in Pakistan, and we want to invest. It's good.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. If you don't, in the construction of our country, and it's only if you don't.
He is a bit of a legend.
Arab News has embarked on a mission to redefine it. Has become a credible source of reporting on events.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Bakr did all the hard work.
ये बड़ी एक खुशाइंद बात है कि इतना जो बड़ा अखबार है ख़लीज का, अरब वर्ल्ड का, वो यहाँ पर आ रहा है और इसके नतीजे में पाकिस्तान के अंदर जो एक इंटरनेशनल मीडिया प्रेजेंस है वो बढ़ेगी।
Congratulations, everyone.
Thank you.